Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to create cross-references in Word. Open a Word document you need. We have two figures ready for this tutorial. Go to Insert tab and select Cross-Reference. You can also go to References tab and click on Cross-Reference. Select a reference type from the list. In our case, it is Figure. Click on Insert Reference To and select the one you need from the list. We went for entire caption. Select for which caption. For us, it is Figure 2. Click Insert. When we press Ctrl on the keyboard and click on the caption, it redirects us to Figure 2. Let's add one more figure. We will copy and paste the picture. Right-click on the new figure and select Insert Caption. It has caption Figure 2. Click OK. The figure that was number 2 is now Figure 3. Let's go back to the top of our document and select the caption. Right-click on it and choose Update Field. When we press Ctrl on the keyboard and click on the caption, it redirects us to the same figure as before. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.